Here's a quick comparison between Base44 and Replit. Base44 is accessible on Safari, Chrome, and Google, and you can just go ahead and use it through its website. Now, on the other hand, Replit can turn your ideas into apps. Now, if you need an application where you can go ahead and generate some apps, Replit is the nice one or the good one for you. What you need to do is just go ahead and sign in using your Google, GitHub, X, or email. Now here's a table for our concise comparison. For development focus, Base44 are AI-first rapid prototyping, while Replit is code-first collaborative IDE. For target users, Base44 is founders and non-developers, and for Replit is for developers and learners. For backend languages, Base44 is all-in-one built-in backend, while Replit is extensive language support. Now, if you want a friendly AI generation app, Base44 is good for you. But if you are a professional and a developer, Replit is also good for you.